Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, July 13, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. What you're going to see here is that the S&P 500 E-mini futures are flying high again this morning. They're up about 13.5 points at the moment at 2082.5 per contract. Markets are making a big move on the back of news that there's been a Greek bailout deal in place. So there is an agreement between the European Union and Greece, and it looks like that is the news today. So we'll see how this all plays out. You could take a look at NBG, which is the National Bank of Greece. You can see this was a little bit higher. Right now it's sitting up around $1.33. It was $1.27. So it's still holding some gains. I have a hard time seeing this really get above $1.45. It still seems like there's a lot of resistance up there. But either way, that is the news this morning. You can also look at the GREK, which is the ETF for the Greek economy or the Greek country, and you're going to see this is trading at $11.90, closed at $11.27. The maximum upside I could see on this equity would be around $12.68, $12.75 right now, so there's still more room to run, but right now it is sitting at $11.90 this morning. All right, let's talk about some other stocks in the news today. ASNA, I believe they reported earnings. Stock closed at $16.37. It is now trading at $14.70. Be careful with this one. This is not a good reaction to earnings. We'll look at this once the opening bell rings. The only levels that I'm seeing that interest me would be around the 1350 area. There could be a little bit of a scalp play there. But prior to that on ASNA, which is Ascena Retail Group, I just don't see any other levels that really look all that attractive at the moment. So it looks like the stock is getting a little bit of stability here. There's not a whole lot of volume out here at the moment, but we'll see how it plays out a little bit later. Another stock report that came out with some earnings news is Aris Group, and you're going to see this stock is trading at $29.41. It closed at $30.85. There's not a whole lot that's all that good here. Stock does have some support around the 28.70 level, but again, the best bet level that I see for this stock for the long side would be at $26.55. If you get the stock down to $26.55, I will be a buyer myself. Let's take a look here next up at STX, which is Seagate Technologies, and what you're going to see here is this is a disk drive maker. This stock is coming under a little bit of pressure this morning. Closed at $45.95. I believe they lowered their guidance. Either way, I don't see a lot of strength in the equity, and it is in a downtrend, but we will be looking at this a little bit later today. Again, if you want to come over and trade with us, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing. We had a blockbuster week last week. We're going to look to keep that going again this week. If we take a look here at Apple came out with a company came out and upgraded Apple basically, saying that they're going to have good margins. Stock right now is trading at roughly $124.95, closed at $123.28. So that is moving higher. Casino names are in the news today. They're all moving higher as well. Wynn Resorts, nice pop up to 109, closed at 103.90. That's a great little move. I'm going to give this the upside bias to 112. Let's take a look at MGM Grand. Ticker symbol is MGM. You're going to see, this is trading at $18.72, closed at $18.50. Good move there. Take a look at LVS, which is Las Vegas Sands. Stock is trading at $56.20, closed on Friday at $54.84. So this is a nice little move. Still got to get above the daily chart 200-day moving average at around $56.55. So definitely a little resistance up there, but a good pop before the opening bell. European banks are trading higher. Deutsche Bank, nice pop there. Stock is trading at $32.40. That's a very good move. We'll watch this one when the opening bell rings. If by some chance we get a sell-off, this is an equity we would watch for a potential bounce today. If it rallies higher, I'll have levels for you in the intraday stock chat room. Airline stocks are all trading higher. JetBlue leading the charge. This is a nice little move. Stock closed at 21.72, now trading at 22.15. American Airlines is up a bit as well. Stock closed at 41.20, now trading at 41.80. I think you also have LUV, which is Southwest Airlines, trading at 34.50, closed at 33.80. So you got some nice little moves here. One thing I just want to alert everybody is that this coming Friday is going to be options expiration, okay, for the month of July. And just realize this whole entire week will be a lot of game playing by the institutions. So the moves that you see here in the morning, it may not necessarily be the moves you're going to see in the afternoon. There will be a lot of game playing. There's a lot of settlement that goes on this month. And just remember, the institutions, they know they have good, sophisticated computer equipment that pick up the scent of where the small retail options trader is playing and placing his bet. So again, be ready for the real games that get played by the institutions. In other words, this is the real Shark Week. So it's going to be one heck of a trading week. Just be prepared for it. With that being said, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Intraday Stock Chat. You'll see everything that we're doing. Come trade right alongside of us. Ask us questions as you go. Give it a shot. Again, 7-day free trial is offered there. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day right now. Futures are trading up 13.5 points. We'll see how this plays out today once the opening bell rings, and we will see you all on the charts.